I want to share my honest thoughts on faceless marketing. Some of them you may agree with, some of them you may not. But if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that I love to keep things real. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm making this video on a whim. I'm also dressed like this for two reasons. Number one, today I am actually scheduled off of work and I'm at home. I'm comfortable. I've been doing some cleaning. The second reason, I'm going to keep that to fit into what I'm trying to explain a little bit later in the video. So without further ado, let's get back into it. Okay, so first of all, what is faceless digital marketing? Faceless digital marketing is where you can market your digital products without showing your face. A lot of people will go online, they will get on Etsy, they will find these faceless marketing templates on Canva. They can also find them on places like Pexels.com, which is a great site. I don't have any problems with that. And they are also finding them on Etsy directly. If you get on Etsy right now and you do a research, you're going to see there are all kinds of already done for you faceless reels where all you have to do is add your caption to it and post them to TikTok, Instagram, reels, whether it be Facebook reels or Instagram reels. So here's my problem with this. And you guys, I am not new to digital products. If you've been following me for any length of time, you guys know I've been doing digital products since 2017, and things have definitely changed in the digital marketing market. So things are done now. We have AI now. We have so many different things. So I want to talk about this faceless digital marketing and also how I came across all this, because I have been researching PLR products and MRR products for the last 4 months. So let's talk about what PLR products are. PLR products stands for private label rights. So what that means is that you can purchase a product and you need to make sure you read their guidelines, and you can either resell it as your own, or you can take that and use it basically as a guide, and you can customize it using your own creativity. You can remove pages, add pages, you can do whatever you want. You can change the colors, the fonts, and then resell it as your own, which I like that option. The other one, which is the master resale rights, which is basically you have the rights to sell the products as they are. The only problem with this, and let me tell you guys, I have been researching this for like over 4 months, and I do OCD research to the point where I procrastinate so bad on getting things started because I get stuck in this research phase. And it's a good thing I have spent all this time researching, because there are some things I found that I do like and things that I found that I don't like. The problem with MRR products, master resale right products, for example, is there was this course that was going around, which was the Roadmap to Riches course that was sold for $497. And everyone else that bought this course, when you see all these other videos where people are making videos, oh, well, I made, $30,000 in the last 60 days, they were selling this $497 course using faceless digital marketing. And because it was a $500 product, of course they made, a lot of money in a short period of time. The problem with this business model is that it's not sustainable over time. Now, I'm going to say this. Anything you want for yourself, you have to create yourself. Okay, let's repeat that again because I feel so strongly about that. Anything you want for yourself, you have to create yourself. So the problem that I have with master resale right products is the fact that it's not sustainable, because over time you're going to end up with something like this that you're going to see on Etsy, where everybody and their mother is posting the same exact course. Also, with master resale rights, I have noticed a problem with you cannot price it however you want to. The rules that you sign up when you purchase one of these high ticket items, like the roadmap to riches, and I'm not saying that it's not a good course. I'm just saying that it's not going to be sustainable over time because you can't even sell it for the price that you want to because of competition. So they're making everybody sell this course for the same exact price. And that's where the problem is right there, is that you get way too many people that are selling this course. So this is why I say that being authentic and being your true self is really the best way to go. Being authentic and being yourself. Now, do I have a problem with faceless marketing? Okay, that is a yes and no. I'm going to answer that in yes and no. I have a problem with it in this sense, and this is where this is part 2 of why I'm wearing this oversized cozy t-shirt today sitting in my recliner, is that a lot of these faceless reels that I have been watching, they are showing like these luxury, people that are in mansions and these clean white minimalistic mansions and people that are walking in the ocean trying to show how much money they've made off of digital products. And if you saw the person on the other side of that, they're going to look like this. They're going to look exactly like this. It's not reality. They are not being real. Okay. Now, I'm not saying all of them. Maybe, yes, some of them really did do that. There's people that are talking about that they've made $1 million, this. Okay. I get it. I get it. But if you see these faceless reels, they're all aesthetically pleasing. And I love aesthetics. I don't have a problem with aesthetics. But they're really going for this luxury lifestyle. As a matter of fact, you can even get on Etsy right now. You can type in the search bar for luxury faceless PLR reels to buy, and you can get those. These are all showing women who have perfect bodies wearing these perfect clothes. I just don't agree with that part of it. I don't agree with that part of it at all. I think if you're going to sell anything, you need to be yourself. You just need to be yourself. Now, the other part of the faceless marketing that I do agree with, if you are not comfortable being on camera, you don't have to hide your identity unless you got somebody chasing you or if you have some sort of a privacy concern. But if you're one of those people and you don't like being on camera, and trust me, I really don't care for it either. If you go back through most of my videos, you're going to see they were all screencasted tutorials. I'm not a fan of being on camera too much either, although I've gotten used to it. You guys, I struggle with anxiety, and I got on TikTok and I do enjoy lip syncing. That was just a way that I was using a healthy outlet to cope with anxiety. But if you really do not like being on camera, there are other options that you have to do faceless marketing. Okay, my mic died and I charged it up just a little bit to try to finish the video, but I wanted to talk about if you really want to not be on camera and do faceless marketing. There's a lot more ways that you can do that. I'm going to show you some examples that I put up on the screen. I'm going to give you some maybe TikTok accounts or YouTube accounts to follow. One of them is Happy Downloads. She does nothing but show her iPad and all of her accessories, and it's very aesthetically pleasing to watch. So you do not have to put your face on the camera if you do not want to. All I'm saying is that you want it to be authentic. You don't want to have yourself walking through the ocean in the Caribbean when you know that's not you and you're not really there. You don't want these videos that are giving off a false impression to people. I mean, to me, that's what is going to make your business not sustainable, by not being authentic about it. Now, am I saying there's a problem purchasing or using videos that don't belong to you? I don't have a problem with that as long as it is something that is more authentic to you and your personal style, not something that's giving off a false impression that is not even you. And that is my problem with the faceless marketing, is it gives off this luxury lifestyle when it's not really a luxury lifestyle, if that makes any sense. And I can go further into detail on this going forward in future videos. Like I stated earlier, I did this video on a whim because I really felt the need to get this message out, as quickly as possible. I am in the process. I was off today and tomorrow, so I had a 4-day weekend, which is nice. This is the week of 4th of July. And so I took off today and tomorrow to focus solely on getting my digital product business up and going, which I'm going to talk about the Stand Store, you all. Stand Store, there's beacons, there's all kinds of websites you can use. I prefer Stand Store, and I'm going to be talking about that going forward in some videos. So today I'm going to be wrapping up getting my Stand Store going, get it launched. I already have it. I've had it actually for about a month, and I've been paying for it for about a month. I just have not done it because once again, I got stuck into that OCD research part of it where I get stuck in the research and I spend most of my free time just doing research alone. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. This is just scratching the surface on this, but I felt like I just wanted to get this message out there, as quickly as possible. Is this going to probably ruffle some people's feathers? Probably so. I'm not meaning to do that in any way, shape, or form, especially if you are one of the people that purchased the course and yes, you made your money back. But is that course still going to be making you money a year from now? Is it still going to be making you money 2 years from now? That is my problem with that. So if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments section below. I will try to answer as many questions as I possibly can. Also, I'm showing that a lot of you are watching my videos, but you're not subscribed to my channel. So don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.